So now we've just left from the hotel and we've taken a cab. The hotel concierge arranged this for us, and we're going to the city center because the city center is where they have majority of the shops where we can rent a car. And we rent a car from there and then go into the entire Rivera to cars and it's already like 1 o'clock here, so and it takes about 4 to 5 hours to reach Cars. So I think maybe tonight we stop over at Fateh and then go to Cars tomorrow morning. But let's see how that goes. So guys, this is the first time I am driving an automatic car and it's also the other side compared to what we have. So this is a left-hand drive. Super nervous. I don't know how I'm going to do 200 kilometers to Fateh because I just hope I don't crash into anybody, into any other car. I just have to just made a quick pit stop here to get some water and chips for the way. Oh, the other way. Made it, guys. I reached Fateh safely and yeah, we're just going to now check into our hotel. It was a very stressful drive. Beautiful, scenic, but stressful because the lane, maintaining your lane and the signals and understanding all the directions on the map. It was a little challenging, but we made it here. It's almost sunset. Actually the sun has set and we just, instead of checking in, we kept all our luggage at the reception and we are just walking across the road to see the sunset. Hello guys, welcome to Fateh. This is our day 1 here. We just drove from Bodrum to Fateh. We didn't even unpack our luggage. We just went directly and we're sitting near this waterfront here. It's very pretty and just we came to watch the sunset. Then we also thought we'll grab a quick dinner. So we did that and now we're heading back and we'll take all our luggage to the room and unpack. Just planned to go for a sunset tour now. We have not booked anything, but the receptionist from the hotel told us that we have to go on the pier and then there are a lot of boats that take off. So we can just pay them and hop on and then they take you for a full round, but we are not sure about how it's going to be. But I guess let's see. Guys, this is my fit for today. Also book two-wheelers here and I think two-wheelers is easier to travel with because the lanes are really small and especially for a big car like the one we have, it is a bit challenging. So if you're here, I think you should rent a bike rather than a car.
Oh, it's interview. dockyard, and here I will show you with the pictures. Katranji Bay, the first stop, that island.
We just stopped and had some beer because the ferry is at 6 o'clock. Every half an hour they have this public ferry. So we waited, and now it's almost 5 to 6, so we're come here. But I don't know, the beer here makes me so high. One glass and I'm in a good place. I think the alcohol content is much more than usual. Now we have half an hour because the last boat from here reaches at 7 p.m. It leaves at 7 p.m. So we need to be cognizant of the time. Beautiful ferry ride from there. Now we're just thinking of doing some shopping, and then we will go back. So from Fateh, we just took a public ferry and we came to this island called Chalice Island, and it is extremely beautiful here because we almost got the sunset, very pretty colors, and it's a beach, it's an actual beach. Everyone is swimming here and chilling. It's a very nice vibe. You can get yourself a beer and come and swim and drink beer at the beach. But unfortunately the last ferry from here is out at 7 p.m. So we took the ferry from from Fateh to here at 6 p.m. So we just have half an hour to chill, and then we have to head back to Fateh because the only way to go back is a ferry. Otherwise we could have drove down here, but that's not a possibility. But if you are definitely coming here, please make sure you come around 4:30 so you can grab a beer, go for a swim, and then head back around 7. Almost 10:15 now. I think in the next 15 minutes we'll be heading out. Almost everyone is already in the boat. Super excited. So we just crossed Sovalia Island, and now we are heading towards Kisil Island. I think that's where they're going to stop and allow us to swim. But let's see. Our first stop is Tafshan Island, which is also called Rabbit Island. So he's just lowering the anchor now and getting ready to go. Guys, this place is so heavenly. I mean, very few people here, and super secluded and just so nice. The water is so good, and there are also like little small fish in the water. I don't have a snorkel, otherwise I would have gone swimming, but it's so breathtakingly beautiful, I can't tell you. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. island number 3, which is the Aquarium Bay. We made one full circle. If you recall the map that I showed you guys, we completed a full circle. So more or less these islands are very similar, but I mean, they give us an opportunity to swim, and since this is called Aquarium Bay by the name, it has a lot more fish here and more colorful fish, so that experience has been good. And everybody is just chilling, swimming. There's also an 8-month-old baby with us, which is so cute. Guys, we've reached the 4th and the last island of the day, which is the Ras Island. There are so many rabbits here, it's so cute. Not even one. This is truly something I'm supposed to learn. All flat, perfect stones, but I still make them jump. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So now we are done with our entire 12 islands, seeing 12 islands and actually visiting 4 of them. I'm sure the video has told you everything and shown you everything, so I don't really need to make a closing here, but it was incredible. If there's one word to describe how it was incredible. The experience was really good. So if you're coming down to Fateh, or if you're coming to Turkey, Fateh is definitely a place that you should go to. Moreover, I think doing this one-day tour in Fateh is amazing. So do visit, and we come to the end of this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for many more such videos. Thank you.